My name is Jens. I'm a trainer assessor with APC College. I've been with APC for about 7 years, coming up to 7 years in July, August. And prior to that, I was a student. I did the diploma through APC. Started many years ago. I started in search and rescue environment from the Army, Air Force. And I got involved in various rescue services from helicopter rescue. I was air crewman and rescue swimmer. Got involved in National Sea Rescue, which actually looked after the Coast Guard, surf life-saving rescue and actually swift water rescue, pertaining also to confined space and actually rope rescue. Immigrated to Australia about 10 years ago, got involved with St John Ambulance ACT, was the training supervisor, then became the training manager there for a few years. And while I was doing that, I joined APC as a student and I did the diploma through APC. What I like about my job the most is, and I think this is pertaining to any trainer and assessor or instructor if you actually want to do it, is the face-to-face interaction with the students as well. Sometimes we can actually deal with quite a few students via emails or via phone calls, or we will do these Teams or Zoom meetings as well, or chats, but the interaction face-to-face is actually what it is. It's actually quite good as well when you actually do a first workshop like the Cert 3, and a couple of months later you see them in the Cert 4, and maybe 6 or 7 months later you actually see them in the diploma, and you actually see the progression of the students that actually came in here, especially particularly on Monday where they're actually very nervous, and you can actually see the confidence actually building up, and you can actually hear the stories in between the workshops when they actually go and do placement, for argument's sake, or they actually make contacts, or they're considering the medical field actually a little bit more seriously. That's where we actually feel, I think all our trainers feel that we've had some sort of a positive influence on these students as well. So that's the best part of it. If a lot of students actually come into the workshop and they feel nervous, the best way to think about it as well, we were in your shoes. Nobody's actually born with this knowledge as well. We've all started actually somewhere. So we know exactly how the students actually feel. The biggest thing I can encourage from any student, and as far as I'm concerned, and most of the trainers are actually concerned as well, is come here with a good attitude. We actually, and this is for all the trainers, we don't really necessarily at this stage, at the Cert 3 or Cert 4 level, we're not worried about your clinical or medical experience. As long as you've got a good attitude will breed a good ability, and you can work with that. If you've got a good attitude, that's a good starting point as well. So that's all we care about as well.